Proper care and cleaning of your reshaping lenses is required for the best visual outcomes and safety of our patients. When you're hovering over the sink and there's a risk your lenses could fall, it's important to lay a lint-free napkin or towel over the sink drain to potentially catch any lenses that may fall. With the help of your lens protection products, you'll be well prepared if you happen to drop your lenses. If your lenses do fall, rinse with saline solution, examine the lenses for any foreign bodies, and then retry the insertion with the lubricating drops. To protect your lenses, it's important to rinse them with saline solution prior to placing them into disinfector fluid. Before bed, it's important you take the right steps when it comes to your eye routine. First, make sure to apply Comfort Drop to your eye. Remove your lenses from your case and apply Night Drop, which is a thicker drop, to your lens. You'll then insert the lens into your eye. After that, you're all set for a good night's sleep. Remember, 8 hours of sleep is recommended for maximum correction. After waking up, it's important to apply the Day Drop, which isn't as thick as the Night Drop, into your eye. Once you apply the Day Drop, you'll put disinfectant fluid into your case. After that, you'll store your lens in the case until you put in your lens later that night. After you've ensured a minimum of 6 hours of cleaning and disinfection, your lenses will be ready for you to reinsert for another night's wear. Remember, nightly wear is the best way to maintain your vision and get the most benefits from this therapy. As always, call us if you have any questions or concerns.